fresh out here, you know what I'm saying? The Skittle pack got the body on them, the head this big, the body that long.
Yeah. And it do get crazy. You got Shauna P in the building too. Yeah, I can't wait to see that box Chevy though, gang. Yes, sir. So, gang, we out here. We didn't pull it up. Let me put Lil Mama on the leash real quick. Come here. Huh? It's a girl.
I like
Yeah. Hey, y'all see, man, we outside. We getting ready to check out some car content, man. We at Little Steel City Gathering, gang. We gonna see what it do, man. So make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. We gonna get to something, man. Let's get it.
All the homies that ride for me. All the homies that slide for me. I can never take back all the shit we been through. And I hope you feel this love that I'ma send you. Loyalty ain't the same now. They do anything for a name now. That's why we finish shut the game down. It's got nothing to do with fame now, yeah. I'm a Philly in the Midwest, it's gon' be alright.
What's up with you?
I'm a Philly way back home, it's gon' be alright. Yeah. I'm on this grind and you know I do it all for you. All the stress and I ain't go through. For all the reasons that I'm going hard for. Know that those things about you, oh yeah. So I'ma slide on your blow one with you. You know everything gon' be good. And I'ma pull up and come fuck with you. All these memories from back in my hood.
No, I got one. I do all that. Yeah, I do everything.
Things don't always go the way they should. But we gon' always be. Promise it's gon' be alright. Alright. Be my promise it's gon' be alright. Alright. Ooh, and I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright. Look, they'll never understand us. Mama's worried about her sons out there being shot by the cops and he got his hands up. That's why I keep the plans up. Working in this business got me caught up. Don't forget to hit your fam up. I wanted to be a celebrity. Now I wanna live in peace and be free with the breeze and the trees. Don't want no problems, please let me breathe. You don't wanna be a body in the street for my family. I'm on this grind, you know I do it all for you.
All the
stress and I go through.
Man, they got a little
for all the reasons that I'm going hard for. Know that those things about you, oh yeah. So I'ma slide on your blow one with you. You know everything gon' be good. And I'ma pull up and come fuck with you. All these memories from back in my hood.
Y'all know I had to bring a little dog with me or something, you know what I'm saying?
Things don't always go the way they should. But we gon' always be. Promise it's gon' be alright. Alright. Be my promise it's gon' be alright. Alright. Ooh, and I promise it's gon' be alright.
I got 2 males from China. Yeah, that's the best thing to do. What's up, man? Shout out to the G-Body thing. She hit right now. Oh yeah. Oh, it's over there. Uh-huh. Come on.
Bugsy and Kali. This for my nigga Rocket, this for my nigga Rue, this for my nigga Black. Nigga, this what we do. We keep this thing in motion. We do it how we supposed to. You're not rocking with Soldier. Kept one in the holster. Fuck boy, we postal, coast to coast rollers. Original, distinguished gentlemen can tell they older. More mature, more precise, more amp, nigga for living life. Xing off the bucket list, rocking with ice. Doing shit more relevant, no matter the price. Yeah. Real moves just respected. We put the picture in the frame from that perspective. They say the sky's the limit. I'm still surprised a minute. I started at the bottom without a pot to piss in, without a fucking window to throw it at opposition. So be prepared for a war. My niggas coming with us. Yeah. Kali crew up in this bitch blowing. Smoke clouds, big chief and niggas not knowing. My niggas pulled up on bikes and came with it. Straight off the chain with it. Yeah, we got the same digits. Real niggas to tap in with us for lame critics. It take a brain, nigga, fucking with this flame spitter. Put that on nice and say it with us. Greatness original and destined in this game fitted. Dark night in real life. Fisticuffs, fuck with us, we will fight. Spirit of warriors, baby, you know we bring it on. You know we bring it home. You know we bring it strong. We paddle through the storm. I'ma prove it wrong. Niggas, we still here. My enemies is dead and gone.
This for my nigga Shay. This for my nigga Black. PD and Bugsy, Shotty and Kali, we spit that crack. The homie called 20, tell the state his family want him back. They sent him so far they can't visit, what's the point of that? Politics and punishment, toasting with my conglomerates. Can't be out here posting, making moves without no confidence. Trained to really go and got the skills to prove my competence. Same kid that used to go to school to get free lunch and shit. The fact that you can't touch us, we gon' take that as a compliment. compliment. Shout out to AV, we bought that money till I'm running shit. Posted in the city, got me feeling like a monument. Body in the present, brain on another continent. It's hard to not shine when the glow is so prominent. They begged us for the plate, we threw the ball and they fumbled it. I only fuck with niggas I know I can dig a tunnel with. Streets is cold, heart turned stone like a monolith. How you go down without even throwing a punch or kick? The real life gold, I walk around head button shit. My mama said my son will kill anything put in front of him. Punk buster, hater, snitch, he was never one of them.
I see what it is, man. Y'all know why I was coming, where I was going. My man over here with the AI, he got some emotion lotion in the bag. Yeah. We finna get it on. We about to get it on right here. Yeah, man. Say, stay tuned. We got this AI finna go down, gang. Say the dude get crazy.
We're gonna do this exclusive breed, man.
Yeah.
I got motion in the van. Got him on ice packs right now, man, because it's kind of nice outside today in Chicago. So I got motion feeling good, looking good. Finna take this girl down, man, put that real pressure out here, you know what I'm saying? The skittle pack, got the body on him, the head this big, the body that long. Man.
Yeah. And it do get crazy. You got Shauna P in the building, too. Yeah, I can't wait to see that box Chevy, though, gang. Yeah. I know she anxious. She can't wait. That's why she had to go take a little trip so she don't be worried about it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, we finna do some serious breeding, man. So right now, I'm about to go home and get the boy, and we're gonna come back with that situation, gang. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I just seen this little Cold Chevelle. I don't know what year it is, but we gotta get this. Y'all hear that breathing in the back? We finna go do some serious breathing. Not breathing one, breathing two, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it.
1 hour later.
What up,
It's gonna be a hell of a ride. Yeah. Heard you was speaking on the low-down. Hey, little nigga, thanks for the promo. Grown man chill, but my homies on go-go. Put a line around you like white walls on a low-low. Say you the best, but that shit sounds so-so. You a brat, that shit is fucking up your mojo. Let that shit go, that shit is fucking up your stroke, bro. Jerry curl bars, every line make your soul glow. Yeah, the beat is knocking like a fofo. Hop inside the photo, get a 40 from the liquor store. You niggas curvy like a Ocho. And where you got that from, we'll never know though. But you gotta speed up, you moving slow. I'm moving steady in cruise control. Let me lighten up the load. You gotta learn to let go. We all feel low sometimes, but don't let that blow your mind. You gotta let it go, stay firm, gotta press the line. Everything's gonna turn out fine. Bang to the road, you don't need no brakes for that. Just relax, let it dip and slide. Might as well buckle up for this, cause it's gonna be a hell of a ride.
Yeah. Last one that said something, nigga was just dead stunned. I pull up from the red bumper. Now it's turned up, speaking on snakes. Stop by his bumper so I can look into his face. Tell me what you say. Oh, now you trying to backpedal. I'm just trying to see what niggas talking. If we slap metal, call you when the dust settles. Purple heart when we won medals. Soldier on the field, we was once rebels. Night smoked out, this money used to poke out. 10G stacks selling dope out the coke house. Money in the safe, guns in the safe. Mama house raided and his son caught a case. Bullet to the face, never made it upstate. Murdered at his mama house, that was his fate. Make no mistakes in this game, mark the date. They free my nigga Ann and he walk about the gates.
We all feel low sometimes, but don't let that blow your mind. You gotta let it go, stand firm, gotta press the line. Everything's gonna turn out fine. Bang to the road, you don't need no brakes for it. Just relax, let it dip and slide.
I'm glad you said that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see, he got a whole fan club over here. Yeah. Hey, you gonna get one of them? Yeah. Tell them what to do. Tell them to sit down. Look how little dude got him. Hey, he need a dog, man. Tell him to sit down, little hustle.
3 hours later.
Yeah, man, we closed out the Steel City show. Y'all see it, man. You know what I'm saying? We came up here. We didn't come up with no car or nothing like that this time, gang. We brought the dogs out. You know what I'm saying? We got that exotic situation going on, man. Hey, man, if y'all need to tap in, man, make sure y'all tap in to Steel City. Got a Trans Am leaving. See them burn marks in the street? You see them burn marks in the street right there? Man, so I didn't made it back. We didn't made it back, man. Got the dogs back, everybody up. Y'all hear him right now. Yeah, man, so shout out to Steel City, man. They had a nice little situation going on, man. The whole town came outside, man. Everybody and their mama was outside. They came and pulled up, man. And we even got invited to a couple events, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I was up there with the dogs, man. But yeah, man, shout out to everybody, man. Dark. Man, shout out to everybody who came out, man. And you know what? Filming on the iPhone, I'm starting to figure out it is no good, guys. It got great camera quality, a lot of different pluses, man. A lot of pros, but the cons to it, which is the bad part, is the storage is no good, guys. The storage is no good. You gotta stay on top of it, man. But I appreciate everybody, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video, man. Let's get it.